Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 1, Lesson 6, the last lesson of Unit 1. Today we build sentences up. We'll meet the simple sentence, the compound sentence, and the run-on you want to avoid. Let's start simple, literally. A simple sentence has one subject part and one predicate part. Here's one. Omar fed the dog. Omar is the subject, the one we're talking about. Fed the dog is the predicate, what he did. One subject, one predicate, that's a simple sentence. And here's the surprise. Either part can be compound, and it's still simple. Omar and Kate fed and brushed the dog is still one subject part and one predicate part. So simple means one clause, one complete thought. Now let's join two of them. A compound sentence is two complete sentences joined together. You join them in one of two ways. First, with a comma plus a coordinating conjunction, and, or, nor, or but. Listen. Omar fed the dog, and he brushed him. Two full sentences glued by comma plus and. The other way is a semicolon. Omar's dog loves to run. Kate's dog prefers to nap. The semicolon does the joining all by itself, no conjunction needed. Now the mistake to avoid. A run-on jams two complete sentences together with no comma plus conjunction and no semicolon. Listen. Pia practiced daily for the recital. She played flawlessly. Hear how two whole sentences crash into each other? That's a run-on. The fix is easy, and you have three choices. You can split them into two sentences with a period. You can add a comma plus a conjunction, like, and she played flawlessly. Or you can drop in a semicolon. Any one of those three repairs the run-on. So here's your quick check for any sentence. First, count the complete thoughts. If there's just one, it's simple, even if a subject or verb doubles up. If there are two complete thoughts, look at how they're joined. Joined with a comma plus a conjunction, or with a semicolon. Then it's compound, done correctly. But if two complete thoughts are jammed together with no comma plus conjunction and no semicolon, that's a run-on, and it needs a fix. Count the thoughts, then check the joint. Let's try a few. In this first set, decide whether each sentence is simple, compound, or a run-on. Count the complete thoughts, then look at how they're joined. Pause and try each one before I answer. Mustard makes hot dogs taste better. Count the complete thoughts. There's just one. Mustard makes hot dogs taste better. One subject, one predicate, one idea. So the answer is simple. You can buy your ticket in advance, or you can buy it at the door. Two complete thoughts here. You can buy it in advance, and you can buy it at the door. They're joined by a comma plus the conjunction or. So the answer is compound. Air is taken into the lungs. Oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream. Two complete thoughts. Air is taken into the lungs, and oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream. But there's no comma plus conjunction and no semicolon between them. They're just jammed together, so the answer is run-on. Now in this set, each sentence is compound. Find the joining word, the little conjunction after the comma that glues the two sentences together. Pause and try each one. The skies were cloudy, but I saw no rain. Two complete thoughts joined after the comma. Which word does the joining? It's but, the conjunction that signals a contrast. Cloudy just describes the skies, and rain sits inside the second thought. So the answer is but. I studied hard and I passed the test. Two complete thoughts. I studied hard and I passed the test. The word that joins them, right after the comma, is and. Studied and passed are just the verbs inside each thought, so the answer is and. Did you find it, or do you need my help? Two complete questions joined into one. The joining word, sitting after the comma, is or, offering an alternative between them. Find and need are just the verbs, so the answer is or. Let's wrap up Unit 1. A simple sentence is one complete thought, even when a subject or verb doubles up. A compound sentence is two complete thoughts joined the right way, with a comma plus a conjunction, or with a semicolon. And a run-on is two thoughts jammed together with neither, which you fix three ways. Count the thoughts, then check the joint, and you'll know which one you've got. Great work finishing Unit 1.